I'm going to show you the best currency pair to trade in Forex. And believe me, it's nothing that you have in mind. The pair I'm going to show you will definitely improve your profits, and believe me, it's going to make your overall trading better. A lot of times we overlook the simpler things that can make our lives easier, and in this case, our trading more profitable. Now, the best currency pair to trade in Forex is the pair you've spent the most time analyzing. Whether it be gold, GBP, JPY, US30, you can name them all. When you've spent a lot of time analyzing just one pair over time, it's like you can literally tell what the market is going to do next, based on the patterns that it throws in front of you. You go on social media and everyone will tell you, trade this pair, it's volatile and you can make a lot of money. And you see them showing off a lot of money on the media. Then you try trading that pair and you lose tons of money. You have to think about it like this. If you're looking for a wife and you've had a girlfriend for 10 years and you know everything about her, she's beautiful, faithful, loyal, takes care of you, motivates you, and helps to build you as a person. And on the other hand, there is this supermodel that's popular. The most sensible thing to do is to make your girlfriend of 10 years your wife, because you already know what to expect. And in reality, the people who choose the super hot models that use their beauty to basically manipulate them, you most times hear about them getting divorced and losing all their assets. I'm pretty sure you've heard about a lot of these cases on social media. The divorce and losing all your assets can be related to when social media traders flash their money in front of you and tell you to trade a certain pair, and you try that pair and lose all your money. As opposed to knowing a certain pair inside out. You know its traits, its behaviors, so it's more likely that you will be more successful trading that pair than trading a pair that you've just met. I want you guys to leave a like and a comment if you're in agreement with anything I just said, because there are two types of people in the world. Try not to be the one that ends up divorced. The aim is to know the pair so well, just like you would know your partner that you spent 10 years with. You know when they're happy or sad even without them telling you. Trust me, the more time you spend analyzing a singular pair, the more profit you'll make. So you can visit the Linktree link in my description and use my referral link to get 20 free stocks from Webull worth at least $60 and can go up to $60,000. Or buy one of my graphic tees or just visit my Amazon store. Remember to like this video. Oh, and subscribe.